guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's now 10 to 8 in the morning. I couldn't sleep any longer because it's my birthday today. Can't wait. So I'm just going to go downstairs in a minute and just see what mum and dad have got for me.
Happy birthday, Dee.
Thank you, thanks.
Let's see what you've got.
Ooh, Logitech iPad. Ooh, nice.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
I'm that busy looking, I'm not taping you proper.
Ah.
Whoa.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's the keyboard, isn't it?
Oh,
It's
have
the
you got
keyboard,
a
isn't
keyboard?
it? It's the keyboard, isn't
Oh
it?
no, I've got it wrong.
It's the keyboard, isn't it?
Why didn't I get
No, hang on a minute.
Why did you think it was Logitech?
Hang on a minute. You said to me, oh, I'll have to buy the keyboard. So that's the keyboard that you got me. So you got me the really wrong tablet then, you know.
Did you think we got your Logitech finger?
What?
He did, that's why his face wasn't a
His
picture.
face, no. You thought we'd get it, what do you call them, tablet? You thought we got your Logitech tablet, didn't you?
No, bloody hell.
They're separate.
Oh dear. Maybe this is the present that you wanted.
Yeah, maybe that's the iPad to go in there, eh?
No.
You can buy me, you can get me a loan if you want.
What, and us pay for it? And us pay for it?
Oh,
Now,
this is what I've been after.
is it what you wanted? That's the thing.
Well,
Is
it's
it
more, it's
Apple?
more because they didn't have the smaller one.
128 gigabyte. That's loads of storage, that. Ooh.
Oh,
Nearly. I just got another Apple charger. I've got two upstairs.
don't complain.
Look at that baby,
Look at
yeah.
that. Look at that.
Aren't they thin?
Yeah.
God,
That was
that's
so
nice, isn't it?
expensive.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, so look at the, well, this is everything, isn't it? Oh, look.
No, innit?
Cool.
Gran, they weren't far, very far off Gran, yeah. That's a nursery.
Yeah. I think it used to be a pub, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Come all this way for a nursery.
Yeah.
Right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit better than living in a built-up area, isn't it?
Traffic will be mad though, won't it?
So birthday adventures keep going, don't they? They don't stop there, do they? Don't stop there, do they? So on our way to Stubbins, where I went last time, but with mum and dad this time.
Be better off saving your battery, wouldn't you, Dean?
Yeah. Just in Ramsbottom where I was last time. Ready, mum? Back to Stubbins again, just showing my mum and dad the route, basically. Just
Yeah, you do.
Right.
yeah.
I'm
So
off.
down this road until you get to the viaduct, and it's on the right.
Down here?
Yep. I get on my bike because Dad will lose us again. Right, Mum.
Hang on a minute, I think I'm better.
Yeah, this wagon's going. I was turning left. There it is there. I'll come to the viaduct in a minute. You alright, Mum?
Yeah.
You were a bit squashed up in that car, weren't you? So it's up that big hill there. You see the first viaduct here?
Oh, look at it all really.
There's yeah. Strong for up this big hill. So they've closed off that bit down there. Which that were closed off last time I went. Dad's got the camera, so I'm out here to get footage on that. Ready? Yeah. Takes you down to Irwell Vale.
Right.
So I can go down there after if you want. But this Loom Viaduct, restored in 2015 as a cycle track. Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like walking along here.
It's not that far from home, is it?
We go left up the hill there. You know, it comes through there. It won't go up like that. It goes through there because this will bridge this. Then it goes through there. This is that viaduct I found last time. See, this is helmshore.
There's a sign down there.
I didn't walk along this way. I walked down on the road there, and then I found this. It looks like it, doesn't it?
It seems deserted for me.
Does, doesn't it? It's all that as well. Don't know if it's abandoned or what. I don't know. Was it being used? I'm not sure. So I can't remember. So yeah, helmshore. Keep going. The path I use. That was the path I used to get up on it. So I haven't actually been this way.
Have we not?
No. What's that down there?
Chickens.
Allotment.
They're them big ones, what they call them, big chickens.
Buff Harpingtons.
Harpingtons, yeah.
Yeah.
Big girls.
Got a lovely ben for them, haven't they? Dad would be looking at the mini dumper and digger. Is that similar to what you're getting?
Yeah.
Is it?
That's for muck, that really, Dean.
Yeah.
The one we're getting is for, it's got a flat bed on it for putting flags on and block curves and stuff like that.
You can get a digger as well.
I'm going to get one of them.
And the trampoline in the back garden.
It's a mini digger.
Mum got a trampoline in the back garden. It's up there, isn't it? No. It's up there. I just need space. So we've lost the railway at Helmshore just after the viaduct. So we're just following streets, going round places. Have a football pitch there. And it starts to rain as well. God's sake. Ah, when you smell the unwanted weed. Unless I went through it. Holocam. Give you everything. Massive big one. Yeah, it's over the bridge. What? 1883. Yeah. Jesus. How long that's been there. Hello PLC. Oh, what's that? That is old. So we stopped at Elrow Vale. Back down this hill now. From where we've come from. Hey! And that's it, we're back. Done the stubbins and helmshore. I'm not trying again. But cycling this. Yeah. Little bumps. Yeah. Oh, the cones in there. No. We are done. Where are they?
Down here somewhere. Wait a minute, they've got some toys in here, haven't they?
Yeah. Great, innit?
That's
There
it
it is.
there.
Oh, that's it there. Yeah, that's it. That's the Wi-Fi.
You said, oh, it's got an headset for real time.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the rainy Rochdale.
Say that again.
Welcome back to the... So, especially
What?
where are you seeing
Trucks are going through in the sink.
Yeah, trucks are going through in the sinking.
The sinking.
Yeah, honestly. No, you've got to see it. Have you got it?
Oh my God, look at that.
I
Not
know.
going to attempt it,
Watch
is
the
it?
cat he is, he's going to try a lot.
Oh my, that's stupid, that, innit?
Can you get it?
Stupid, that, innit?
If the bus is coming through, the bus will probably make it. But even he's going down, even he's dipping. Look at the water. He's trying to turn now. Look, he's coming, look.
Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't. Oh, he's done it, he's done it, he's done it.
Oh, someone else is coming down.
Done it. Oh, corset.
Oh, he's trying
Dad, don't go in the middle of the road. Highlight of the day. 2020. Had some nice presents and had a lovely day today, especially chippy tea was really nice. We'll be posting tomorrow night as well, because I'm going to be testing my cool drone as well tomorrow as well. So just this week I'll be posting tonight and tomorrow night as well. So leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well, because more good things coming. So peace out, guys. Peace. Yes.